Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile bed tray table with folding legs. A must-have for anyone who enjoys convenience and style in their home. This large, black tray table is perfect for serving breakfast in bed, enjoying dinner, or even using as a laptop desk, thanks to its spacious design and folding legs. Crafted from durable bamboo MDF, it features two hollowed-out handles for easy carrying and a lipped tabletop to prevent items from sliding off, making it ideal for everything from serving meals to displaying elegant decorations. The tray's dimensions are 22 by 10.2 by 9 inches when open, and it folds down to a compact 19.7 by 11.8 by 1.57 inches, making storage a breeze. Its raised edges add an extra layer of security, ensuring that your items stay in place, whether you're using it as a TV table or a snack tray. Easy to clean with water, this tray promises longevity, especially when treated with bamboo oil occasionally. So, whether you're looking to enhance your breakfast and bed experience or need a reliable surface for your laptop, this foldable tray table is the perfect solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.